In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smooth and professional transition effect using CapCut, a popular video editing app. This is a fairly simple technique, but it can significantly enhance the quality of your edits, making your final product look polished and seamless. So let's dive right in. First, open up CapCut and start a new project. You can do this by launching the app and selecting the option to begin a new project from the main menu. This will open up the editing interface where you'll be able to see your timeline and all the tools at your disposal. Once you're in your new project, the next step is to place 2 video clips that you want to transition between onto the timeline. Simply choose 2 clips from your media library and drag them down to your timeline, laying them side by side. This setup will be the foundation for the transition effect we're going to create. Now, to construct the transition, we'll be adding a white color element between these 2 clips. Go to the library within CapCut where you can find an assortment of assets. Look for a plain white color element. Once you've found it, drag this white element down to your timeline and position it right between your 2 clips. This is where the magic of our transition will happen. Next, let's make some adjustments to the white color element. We need to shorten it substantially so that it only lasts for about 3 to 5 frames. This brief duration is crucial because it will create the illusion of a quick flash, which is the essence of this transition effect. You can adjust its length by clicking on the edge of the white clip and dragging it to the left, ensuring it covers just a few frames. After you've adjusted the duration, it's time to add some subtlety by applying a fade-in and fade-out effect to the white clip. To do this, click on the white color element in your timeline. Look for the option to apply these effects, which typically involves adjusting the opacity over time. You'll want the white clip to smoothly appear and disappear, which softens the transition and adds a professional touch. And there you have it, a simple yet effective flash transition using CapCut. By following these steps, you can make transitions between clips feel effortless, maintaining the flow and continuity of your video. Remember, the key lies in the details. How brief you make the flash and the smoothness of the fade-in and fade-out will greatly affect the outcome. With practice, you'll find this technique to be a valuable addition to your editing toolkit. Keep experimenting, and happy editing.